Uh, Here I'm on the in my unboxing of my Nintendo Switch. Hey DK, I have my Nintendo Switch. Unboxing of my Nintendo Switch. Okay, this is the Animal Crossing edition, special edition. Game not included. You need to buy your own game separately. Now let's open it up. This is the first time I bought a console, a gaming console. I'm already 40 years old. First time I bought a console because I'm a PC gamer. There we go. Yes. Here it is. My controller. Oh, it's so tiny. First time I touch a Nintendo Switch. Cute. Green. This one is the cyan. Then the Nintendo Switch. Oh, it's black. I thought it's gonna be white. But you can see there's a print at the back. See? You can see the. Show you. There's a Animal Crossing. See? Highlights. Yes. Here. What's inside? The HDMI cable. The USB charger. I think this one is around. Output 39 watts at 18 volts. USB-C. And there is a, I think this one is a controller adapter, so you can play it like a Pro Edition. Nice. Made in Vietnam. Then here it is. I think you need to attach this one here. So you can push it. Green color and a blue color. So you put it in your arms. Like this. Then put it here. Then play. Then what's this? This is the one you paid for, the dock, which is basically the special edition dock. Animal Crossings. I don't know, there's something here. A USB power, the HDMI. And you put this thing here, like this. Connect. And I will try to connect my controllers. I will put it on for the first time. Let me see which one is which. This one here. And this one is on the other side. And power on. Wow! First time boot on my Nintendo Switch. Watching a Korean movie. Wow! Unboxing of my Nintendo Switch. Bye bye!